What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this episode of TikTok Made Me Buy It, we have another makeup product for you guys. So yes, TikTok made me buy another makeup product. This time it's a mascara instead of a foundation. So I did all my makeup except my mascara so we can test this out and see how it is. So if you guys are excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into it. So the mascara that TikTok made me buy was the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, but this one is waterproof, and they specifically said to get the waterproof one because waterproof is better to like lengthen and curl your lashes, and they will stay like that for like the rest of the day. So, and I've always liked using waterproof mascara better than any other kind, just because I feel like it did last longer and it did make my lashes curl a lot better than a regular mascara would. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. So I'm actually gonna explain to you guys how I do it, because I hear a lot of mixed things on like what you should do to curl your lashes and like what's good for your lashes and what's not. So I like to curl my lashes first, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl them now. I'm so out of breath because I had to run downstairs. Okay, so I like to curl them, and then I'll apply my mascara and then let it dry and then curl them again with the mascara on. And I heard mixed things about it. People don't like that, which I understand. Like, it's not good for your lashes, but at the same time, whatever, I don't care. I'm still gonna do it. I've done it for years. Eventually, when they break off and are no longer, knock on wood, because please don't do that to me, I'll just wear falsies or get lash extensions. I mean, like, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait. Oh, we just curled them. So we curled them. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply the mascara. So I'm gonna show you what the brush looks like, because to me brushes are very important. And here's this one. I hear good things about this, and I hear this is a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it kind of has like the same brush to it that the Too Faced one has, not had. And I had the Too Faced one, but I think my sister stole it from me, and I have no idea where it went, and I spent like $24 on it, and I got the full size one too, and like she stole it. So I had to get a new mascara, and then I found this on TikTok, heard it's a dupe, heard it's amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it and see if it's worth the hype. Okay, so I brought you guys a little up close and personal, and here we go. Ignore my animal in the back. My dog is barking because he's playing with my brother, not because like whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Oh, my first impression so far is it goes on really good, not gonna lie. Like, it goes on really well. I really like the way that it fans out my lashes and it doesn't make them clumpy. Okay, I had to go yell at my brother to stop making him bark. But like, this is a really good mascara, I'm not gonna lie. This is literally one coat of mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat. Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat. Oh my gosh, I'm actually living for it. Okay, I'm gonna let them dry, and then I'm going to curl them with my lash curler. But like, this is like without curling them when they have mascara on them, which is like really good. I'm kind of obsessed. Look at that compared to that. That's insane. This was only $8 on Amazon, I think. My mom bought it for me, so thanks, Mom. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna unzoom this because this is scary. Okay, So this is the 2 coats on, letting it dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and curl them again. But so far, I'm actually obsessed. I think this is honestly like the same as the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So if you don't want to spend $24 on a mascara, because I think that's ridiculous, and I know like other people think it's ridiculous too, so I think this is a perfect dupe for it. It's only, like I said, on Amazon for like $8. You can get it in Ulta, Walmart, Target, anywhere basically, and it is still so much cheaper than the Better Than Sex mascara. But I will be back to you when this is dry. Okay guys, so now that it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and curl it one more time, because like I said, that's what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl it, and of course it goes that way. Okay. So I probably should have let it dry a little bit longer, not gonna lie, but this is the final result. Ooh. I give this mascara a 10 out of 10. I think it's amazing. It works so well, totally worth the money. And like I said before, it's waterproof. I prefer waterproof. Waterproof is better. It is harder to get off your lashes, but it is so much better on the lashes because it just looks better, more voluminous, volume, I don't know what you want to say. But yeah, so I totally recommend this. Definitely go try it. If you try it, definitely tell me down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.